Okay.
Gua Sha for hypertension. In TCM, hypertension is most commonly associated with all of the following patterns, except
Spleen Qi sinking.
which primary therapeutic action of Gua Sha directly addresses Qi stagnation in hypertension.
Promoting smooth flow of Qi and blood.
The posterior cervical region is treated primarily because it traverses which three channels?
And 2. Bladder, gallbladder.
Which Bakshu point corresponds to the liver?
Bladder 18.
The benefit of scraping the neck in hypertension includes all except
Tonifying spleen Qi.
during the sample protocol for liver yang rising hypertension. Scraping along the neck is performed.
Downward along both sides of the neck.
The recommended pressure during Gua Sha treatment should continue until
Light Sha appears.
which acupoint subdues liver yang,
GB20.
which point combination best addresses both liver yang rising and kidney yin deficiency.
Liver 3 and kidney 3.
Modern research suggests Gua Sha may temporarily reduce blood pressure, primarily through
Relaxation and vascular dilation.
which physiological mechanism is not a modern effect of Gua Sha.
Increase sympathetic activity.
A patient receiving anticoagulant therapy should
Avoid or use caution with Gua Sha.
which symptom accompanying hypertension constitutes a medical red flag?
Sudden severe headache.
The key TCM principle underlying most hypertension presentations includes
Calming the liver and subduing yang.
hypertension may eventually produce pathological changes in all of the following organs, except
Gallbladder.
the recommended maximum daily salt intake for a healthy adult is
5 grams.
for patients with hypertension, recommended daily salt intake is approximately
3 to 4 grams.
the projection area of the heart on the chest is scraped.
Inside to outside.
The corresponding area of the kidneys on the back is treated using
Surface scraping.
scraping from the top of the head to the rear hairline, specifically includes
GB20.
the protocol involving GV14, GV1, bladder 13, and bladder 15 is performed
In sections from up to down.
which point is not included in the recommended procedure.
PC6.
After scraping LI11, GB31, stomach 36, and kidney 3, which additional technique is applied?
Vertical pressing and kneading kidney 13. 3.
B.
Kidney 3.
Corn stigma T is said to exert all of the following actions, except
Strongly tonify kidney yang.
which statement best summarizes Gua Sha for hypertension?
It serves as a complementary therapy within an integrative treatment plan.